This is one of the coziest soups you'll ever make. Today, I'm making homemade meatball soup. I finely chopped the carrots, onion, and bell pepper and put them into the pot. I add about 5 tablespoons of oil. I add about 1 liter of water and let it come to a boil. I shape the meatballs. I add 2 tablespoons of picantina seasoning. The meatballs are already in the soup. Then I add the rice, stir well, and let the soup simmer for another 20 to 25 minutes until everything is cooked. I make the thickening with yogurt and flour. I lower the heat and carefully add the thickening to the soup. I let it simmer for about another 10 minutes over low heat. Done. A classic homemade meatball soup. Warm, flavorful, and very delicious. And that's it! A warm, cozy homemade meatball soup. I hope you enjoy it as much as we do.